Hello. Today I wanted to talk about an improv game that has to do with staying positive. And it is called gift giving. And it is where you're given a gift, any gift in the world, like a dirty sock or something great, like a treasure chest. And you're given this gift and you have to say thank you no matter what the gift was. You have to say thank you and what you'll do with the gift. So for example, if you're given a dirty sock, maybe you can turn it around and say thank you, I will wash it. Or if you're given a treasure chest, thank you, I will buy a mansion. Whatever you feel in the moment, again, going with the flow, and then you give the next person or whoever you're with a different gift. And you keep going, turning a negative into a positive if you need to. Another way to play this is actually not the go with the flow, turning a negative to a positive. You actually are genuinely trying to think of a gift that person might like, and you give them that. So if you know they really like Star Wars, maybe you'll give them the whole set of Star Wars movies, and then that person still says thank you and says what they'll do with the movies, like watch them. And yeah, it's a really fun game to play with all abilities. You can play this with children who are verbal, nonverbal, older children, younger children. You can find adaptations with how you do the gift giving and how you say thank you with a smile, and act out what you'll do with the gift versus say what you'll do with the gift is another tactic and another way to play. And yeah, this has been gift giving. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.